Hello, and welcome to the SimpleFX video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to close your order. First, go to the My Trades section. Choose an order you want to close from the list. If you don't want to close the whole position, you can adjust the number of lots you want to close at a market price. Then, tap the Close button. And that's it. Now you can easily close your orders in the SimpleFX app. Watch more tutorials for an in-depth look at trading features. Have a good day and a good trade.